In this video, we will talk about method resolution order. Let us create a class A and we will have a method display which has self as the parameter, and we will have a print statement print class A method. We will create another class B and we will have a method display with self as the parameter. We will have a print statement print, let's say class B method. We will create a class demo, and let us consider that this class inherits properties of class A as well as properties of class B. We will define a method show which uses self as the parameter. We will have print, let's say class demo method. Now here we are having multiple inheritance. That is, the class demo is inheriting properties of class A as well as class B. And in class A we have the method as display, as well as in class B we have the same method display. Let us create an object of class demo. We will call the display method using the object of demo class. Let us execute this program. You can find that we have the output as class A method. That is, display method of class A is getting executed, whereas display method of class B is discarded, even though we inherit the display method of both class A as well as class B. This is because of the method resolution order, that is, the order in which the classes are inherited. Since here we are inheriting class A, then class B, the display method of class A is visible and can be called. Suppose if we change the order of inheritance, that is B comma A, and execute the program, you can find that the display method of class B is getting executed. Because of the method resolution order, that is, since class B is inherited before class A, the method of class B is visible in the demo class, whereas the method display of class A is discarded. Every class defined has a method MRO, which can be used to find the order of inheritance. For example, we can use print demo.mro method. The MRO method will not take in any arguments. Let us execute this program. You can find that we have a list displayed in the output. First element is the class demo and the second element is class B. So therefore all the properties of class B is inherited prior to properties of class A. This is the reason the display method of class B is getting executed when we call d.display. Let us look at what happens when we use the same name, that is display, instead of method show. We will create an object of demo class and then let us call d.display. Let us execute this program. You can now find that the display method of demo class has been executed. Let us use a print statement. We will call the MRO method of the demo class. Let us execute this program. You can find that the first element is the class demo. Therefore, according to method resolution order, the display method of the demo class is executed. And we have the print statement which prints class demo method. That is the output we are getting. So this is how method resolution order works for polymorphism in Python.